Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So for today's English Year 4 lesson, we are going to go to Module 8, Amazing Animal. And today we are going to focus on my favorite animal. These are today's learning objectives. First, pupils should be able to write simple sentences to state reasons for liking an animal. Second, pupils should be able to write words or phrases to complete the bubble map. But first, let's take a look at the vocabulary that we are going to learn today. First, we have forest, hutan, stripes, belang, hunters, pemburu, river, sungai, live, tinggal, interesting, menarik, lake, tasik. Take out your Get Smart Plus 4 book and turn to page 87. Let's read the text together.
Module 8. Project 1. What's Kina's favourite animal? Listen and read.
My favourite animal. Malayan tigers live in forests in Malaysia and parts of Thailand. They are orange with black stripes. Malayan tigers are smaller than many other tigers, but they are very strong. Malayan tigers are very good hunters. They hunt and eat large animals like monkeys, deer or goats. They can even eat small elephants. Malayan tigers like to swim and play in rivers and lakes. I like Malayan tigers because they are very strong and beautiful animals.
Alright, so this is Kina's favorite animal. It's a Malayan tiger. Alright, for task 1, read again and answer the questions. The questions is about the text that you read just now, about Malayan tiger. First, where do they live? Di mana mereka tinggal? Do they live in a home, a house, a jungle, in a river? Second, what do they look like? Macam mana rupa dia? Third, what do they eat? Do they eat meat, vegetables, or fruits? Fourth, interesting facts. Apa fakta menarik tentang harimau ini? And lastly, why do you like them? Kenapa Kina sukakan haiwan ini? Alright, just now we read a text about Kina's favorite animal. Now for task 2, I want you to write down about your favorite animal. Let's start with me. What is my favorite animal? And remember, this is my example. I like panda. First, where do panda live? They live in the mountains, di kawasan pergunungan. What do they look like? Let's talk about the color. Black and white. We can also talk about the size. Smaller than elephant, lebih kecil dari gajah. And one adjective. Panda is very heavy, sangat berat. Next, what do they eat? They eat bamboo. What is interesting fact about panda? Let's talk about what they can do. Apa yang haiwan ini boleh buat? Panda can climb trees and swim. And lastly, why do I like them? Because they are cute and funny. So this is your task 2. Write down your favorite animals. Lastly, task 3. Write about your favorite animals. Based on the information that you have written down, write down your answer in 3 paragraphs. Berdasarkan maklumat tadi, tuliskan jawapan dalam 3 perenggan. First, let's take a look at my favorite animal. My favorite animal is panda. Panda lives in mountain. They are white and black. Pandas are smaller than elephants, but they are very heavy. Pandas eat bamboos. They can climb trees and swim. I like pandas because they are cute and funny. So that's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy. Stay at home. Bye.